Hey everyone, it's What's in a Box Wednesday, and I have something super special for you this week, and it's right behind me because I've just finished putting it together. So have a look. It is a new quilt kit that we've got in. It's called Sci-fi Quilt. Look how awesome that is. So it's got your feature panel, which is those 6 blocks, and then all the coordinating prints and that awesome border as well. And it makes a huge quilt. So it's 83 inches wide by about 110 inches long. And you can see it's huge. It doesn't even fit on the wall. It's that big. So you got awesome prints. So what do they call that? Magenta core. That's really cool. Some other things. I can't remember now. Lots of other fabrics. The blue's awesome. The chevron was really cool. The teal chevrons. And then the planets, the multi-planets, and that's got like spaceships in the background as well. And then let's look at the border. Look how cool the border is. So you got, it's like you're in a spaceship with the windows looking out at the other ones around you. You got your like, control panel going on as well. It's a really cool print, really cool kit. So that was the Sci-fi Quilt. So I've got a few kits there. And like I said, huge quilt. So we've got that there, if you like that. And then, I can't remember if I've showed you these guys or not, but we've got K for set jigsaws. So if you love K for set, the fabrics, and you want to make a quilt, but you don't want to make a quilt, you can make a jigsaw instead. Because I would hate to put all those hexagons together. That would take me years and years and years. So I'd much rather make it a jigsaw. So, great Mother's Day gift if you like that, or just for yourself. Why not? So I thought I'd show you those, and then the Sci-fi Quilt. And then, I think that's all I've got for you. Yeah, that's all I've got for you. So, we'll see you again next week. Bye everyone.